The gas chromatography school is a very hands-on approach to chromatography. All of the instructors are volunteers, so that keeps the overall cost of the school very low. And many of them were actually involved in writing and revising the standards. There isn't a more knowledgeable body of professionals, in my opinion, in the industry. Many of these students have never been exposed before, and they may be very uncomfortable asking questions. And so we try to keep it very interactive and very personal. The demonstration classes, we aim for a student to teacher ratio of about 5 to 1, which is amazing. There are lectures also, but we try to make it as interactive and personal as possible. The equipment available to the school is donated by industry professionals and the biggest names in the industry, and it's state-of-the-art equipment. There are gas chromatographs that are benchtop models for laboratory use and also online models. We want our students to have exposure to a variety of different instruments and different methods. We have setups for gases and liquids also, so the students can experience both. We aim for a very small class size. We limit it to 100 students per year, and that's very specific because we want to make sure that the breakout classes for the instrument demonstrations have an opportunity to run samples, to look at a GC very closely to understand how it works. Students that attend the GPA school can expect to get a very personal, hands-on approach to the GPA methods and the best practices in the industry. Due to the caliber of the instructors at the school, that it's the best value that you can possibly get.